During the summertime, when the weather is hot, there's nothing like a refreshing, vibrant salad. And my arugula, pear, and toasted almond salad is so good and so delicious. It's the perfect complement to any bright summer day. So, let's go to the kitchen and I'll show you just how I make it. To prepare the salad, start off by toasting the almonds. We're going to place the almonds on a dry frying pan and cook them over medium heat until they're nice and golden brown. Next, to prepare the dressing, we're going to add some lemon juice, olive oil, Dijon mustard, salt, and black pepper, and whisk everything together. And that's our dressing. So to prepare the rest of the salad, we're going to start off by slicing our pear into nice thin slices. And this is going to add that nice crisp sweetness to the salad. Okay, so now it's time to assemble our salad. So I'm going to take my bright, fresh arugula and just rip it into pieces. And then I'm going to add my pear slices, followed by my toasted almonds, and some dried cranberries, and any crumbled white cheese of your choice, such as feta or Bayaz veneer. Now just toss everything together to make sure that the dressing incorporates every leaf of the salad. And now it's time to serve. Beautiful. You see the vibrantness with the pear and the dried cranberry and the almonds. It's time for a taste test. So good. Bon appetit.